I am thin. I am very thin because I eat fruit. Like this kiwi. Now out of my hole, please.
Now I'm gonna show you my brother. His name's